Good morning, children. I hope you all are in the best of your health and happy. Children, as you all know, we have started this series on how to make your summer break awesome. And in today's episode, I have come up with two science experiments. In the first science experiment, we are going to observe how actually this wind happens in nature. We all know that wind is basically the circulation of air. When the air becomes warm, it becomes light in weight and it starts rising upward. When this wind cools down, it starts settling down towards the ground. And this motion of air is called as wind. And in the second experiment, we are going to show atmospheric pressure. Children, there is a pressure of air which is exerted on each and everything which is there on earth. So through this experiment, we are going to actually show how this atmospheric pressure is exerted on each and every stuff which is there on earth. So children, let's start this experiment.
When the air is warm, it becomes light in weight and starts rising upwards. For this experiment, we'll put some hot water in this bowl. We need a bottle. Have to put a balloon over the bottle like this. Friends, what do you think? Is this empty? No, it is not. It has got air in it. And then put the bottle in the water. After some time, you will observe the balloon will start getting inflated. When we put this bottle in hot water, air becomes warm. It becomes light in weight and starts rising upwards. And the balloon starts to inflate. Let's see what happens when we put it in the cold water. Put the bottle in the cold water. Now you can see the balloon is deflated because the air inside the bottle becomes cold and heavier, which settles down at the bottom, deflating the balloon. This motion of air going upward and downward causes the wind. Hi friends, today we are going to conduct an experiment to show that how this pressure of air is always exerted on us. For this experiment, we will need a bottle filled with water. Can you see the water is spilling out of the water? No. We'll pick some holes in the bottle and then see what happens. Friends, we have picked the needle into the bottle. Now let's see. Let's see what happens. Friends, can you see any water spilling out of the bottle? No. Let's open the cap and see what happens. Now you can see the water spilling. It is because of the pressure of air. When we put the cap, it stops spilling. Let's open it again. See, it started spilling again. Because that the atmospheric pressure is always on us. Because of this pressure only, the water can go through the hole.